So in one of my last videos, everybody asked that they get to see all the different parts of a solar installation. So if you're just tuning in, this is Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar, and I'm taking you guys through everything solar for a solar installer. I'm a solar installer in the Southeast in North Georgia. I'm a licensed electrician and a NABCEP certified PV installation professional. Been doing this for about 10 years. We're going to be putting a battery backup system on this house in the mountains. This is a remote power system for a guy that loses power a good bit. And this is the verification of design. Verify your designs, guys. You got to send a man out, make sure that that roof is good, make sure that that site is good, make sure that the electrical is what you thought it was going to be. Hopefully you're doing this after the job has been sold. It's expensive to go out and do this before you sell the job. We've got about 18 right there. It's 11 down, so there's enough for an array right there. All right, so this roof, that's about 9 feet down. But we've actually got perfectly 15 feet. We need 14'9" for 4 panels. So we've got 15 feet between here and here. So we can do that. So I think this is gonna be our 7 and our 7. And we're gonna put the panels pretty high up to the peak. And then the conduit's just gonna come right over and you won't be able to see it because of the way the house sits on the road. Guys, so on this one, we've measured and confirmed. We've got a drawing. We measured and confirmed that we can fit our 7 panels here. There's gonna be 8 panels on this roof. There's gonna be 8 panels on this roof. It's gonna be a row 5 and a row 3. That's gonna be 2 rows. That's gonna be 2 rows of 4. And then the other spot where we're gonna put the solar is right here on this face. So these 2 will be 7. This one and this one will be 8. We're going to keep the conduits high and come over. This is actually attic space, but this whole area is not. And then we're going to come over in the back and run our conduits. We'll do metal piping, EMT. It's really important to get out there and verify the roof, guys. Make sure that you're not going to end up with a vent in the middle of your solar array. Make sure that you're not going to be coming out to a roof that's already got problems that need to be fixed ahead of time. Just get out there and there's lots of awesome tools. Lots of really good roof measurement tools, but nothing beats the good old tape measure and a helper, some roof pads. We're rocking the Cougar Paws, as always. I don't know if you've seen these shoes, but these are Cougar Paws. There's the Cougar. Got a special pad on them. There's that special pad. Probably gonna get some new Cougs just for this job, get some new pads. Antonio is leaving the roof. And the conduit run is gonna be tricky, but we're gonna paint it. And we're gonna probably come over the side right here. Might even use a little flex, just a little bit. Liquid tight, flexible metallic conduit. So it looks like a good rooftop job coming up. And the conduit run, this is that other side of the roof. The conduit run is going to be all the way across here, strapped to this back side. And we're going to come down and we're going to punch through right here. I'm just going to reach the camera over and show you guys where the utilities are and everything. You've got to verify your design before you send your crew out there, or you're going to be hating life if there's some kind of an unforeseen. Plenty of times that everything goes well, but you always got to get a man out there if you can before the job. So this is called verifying the design. This is part of the NABCEP skills. Once again, I can't talk enough about my Cougar Paws for shingle roofs and my Acro Building Systems ladder safety standoff. This thing protects these beautiful shiny gutters and makes it really safe to get on and off the roof. We've been using this thing for a long time now and we love it. So that's it, guys. We verified the design and now we're getting on the next job. We got to go put in a Fortress E-Vault.